Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we have something truly exciting to explore: the Baolan High-Speed Railway in China. We all know about its impressive speed and efficiency, but did you know there are some unknown facts that make it even more fascinating? Stick around as we uncover the mysteries behind this remarkable engineering marvel. Record-breaking speeds. First and foremost, let's talk about speed. The Baolan High-Speed Railway holds the record for being one of the fastest in the world. Trains on this line can reach speeds of up to 350 km per hour, making it a true testament to China's commitment to cutting-edge transportation technology. Mind-boggling length. Now, here's a mind-boggling fact: the Baolan High-Speed Railway stretches over a colossal distance. It covers approximately 1,827 kilometers, connecting the cities of Baotou and Lanzhou. That's like traveling from one end of a country to another in the blink of an eye. The hidden underground tunnels. Did you know that a significant portion of the Baolan High-Speed Railway is hidden underground? Engineers have strategically constructed tunnels, some of them extending for several kilometers, to overcome challenging terrains and ensure a smooth, uninterrupted journey for passengers. Green technology initiatives. One of the lesser-known aspects of the Baolan High-Speed Railway is its commitment to eco-friendly initiatives. The railway is equipped with cutting-edge green technology, including energy-efficient trains and stations. It's a significant step towards sustainable transportation. Seamless integration with tech. Get ready for this: the Baolan High-Speed Railway seamlessly integrates with advanced technologies. Passengers can enjoy ultra-fast Wi-Fi onboard, interactive touchscreens, and even facial recognition for ticketing. It's like stepping into the future while traveling at high speeds. Magnetic levitation innovation. Here's a mind-blowing fact about the Baolan High-Speed Railway: a section of it utilizes magnetic levitation technology. This innovative feature allows trains to hover above the tracks, reducing friction and enabling even higher speeds. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's a reality here in China. Earthquake resilience. Living in a seismically active region? No worries. The Baolan High-Speed Railway is designed with earthquake resilience in mind. Engineers have incorporated advanced seismic dampers and flexible viaduct structures to ensure the safety and stability of the railway in the face of potential earthquakes. Dual-purpose bridges. Imagine a bridge serving two purposes, carrying trains and water. The Baolan High-Speed Railway features dual-purpose bridges that not only support high-speed trains but also serve as water channels, enhancing flood control measures in the region. It's a brilliant example of multi-functional infrastructure. Underground commercial spaces. Did you ever think you could do some shopping or grab a bite to eat while waiting for your train deep underground? Well, the Baolan High-Speed Railway has surprised many with its underground commercial spaces within stations. It's like having a mini-mall beneath the surface. Futuristic robotic maintenance. Forget traditional maintenance methods. The Baolan High-Speed Railway takes a leap into the future with robotic maintenance. Engineers use advanced robots equipped with artificial intelligence for inspections and repairs, ensuring efficiency and precision in keeping the railway in top condition. Evolving train designs. Not just a static technology, the Baolan High-Speed Railway continually evolves with cutting-edge train designs. From aerodynamic shapes to innovative materials, these trains are not only fast but also showcase the latest advancements in railway engineering and design. Dedicated wildlife crossings. In a remarkable gesture toward environmental conservation, the Baolan High-Speed Railway incorporates dedicated wildlife crossings. These specially designed passages allow animals to safely cross the tracks, minimizing the impact on local ecosystems. It's a thoughtful touch in the midst of technological prowess. Dynamic ticket pricing. Forget fixed ticket prices. The Baolan High-Speed Railway implements dynamic pricing based on factors like demand, time of day, and seat availability. This not only offers passengers more flexibility but also ensures optimal utilization of resources, making it a win-win situation for both travelers and operators. Sky gardens on viaducts. Green spaces in the sky? That's right. Some sections of the Baolan High-Speed Railway feature stunning sky gardens built on viaducts. These elevated green spaces not only enhance the aesthetic appeal of the railway but also contribute to environmental sustainability. Interactive train windows. Get ready for an immersive journey. The Baolan High-Speed Railway boasts interactive train windows equipped with augmented reality technology. Passengers can enjoy real-time information, virtual sightseeing, and even interactive games, making the travel experience engaging and entertaining. Underground water harvesting. Water scarcity? Not for the Baolan High-Speed Railway. Ingenious underground water harvesting systems are in place, collecting rainwater and storing it for various purposes, including landscape irrigation and station facilities. It's a sustainable approach that contributes to water conservation. AI-powered passenger assistance. Say hello to your virtual travel assistant. The Baolan High-Speed Railway employs AI-powered systems to assist passengers with various tasks, from providing travel information to helping with language translation. It's like having a personal guide at your fingertips throughout your journey. 3D printed components. Revolutionizing manufacturing in rail transport, the Baolan High-Speed Railway incorporates 3D printed components in its construction. This not only speeds up the production process but also allows for more intricate and customized designs, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in railway engineering. Emergency medical pods. Safety first. The Baolan High-Speed Railway goes above and beyond with onboard emergency medical pods. These compact units are equipped with essential medical supplies and communication tools, ensuring rapid response to health emergencies during the journey. Renewable energy integration. Taking sustainability to new heights, the Baolan High-Speed Railway integrates renewable energy sources. Solar panels and wind turbines along the railway harness clean energy, contributing to a reduced carbon footprint and aligning with China's commitment to green transportation. Intelligent climate control. Say goodbye to uncomfortable temperatures. The Baolan High-Speed Railway features intelligent climate control systems that adjust the temperature and airflow based on the number of passengers, ensuring a comfortable and energy-efficient environment inside the trains. Underground aqueducts. Beneath the tracks lies a hidden marvel, underground aqueducts. These channels collect and redirect rainwater, preventing soil erosion and ensuring the stability of the railway infrastructure. It's a sophisticated solution to manage water flow in challenging terrains. Dynamic track adjustments. Ever heard of tracks that can adapt? The Baolan High-Speed Railway utilizes dynamic track adjustments, allowing engineers to modify the alignment of the tracks to accommodate changes in terrain or environmental conditions. It's like having a flexible foundation for the railway. Vertical farming stations. Combining transportation with agriculture, some stations along the Baolan High-Speed Railway incorporate vertical farming. These innovative farming setups not only provide fresh produce for passengers but also contribute to sustainable urban agriculture initiatives. Virtual reality travel experience. Prepare for a virtual adventure. The Baolan High-Speed Railway offers a unique virtual reality travel experience. Passengers can don VR headsets and explore virtual landscapes, historical sites, and cultural landmarks, enhancing the overall journey with a touch of virtual exploration. Wildlife conservation corridors. Maintaining ecological balance. The Baolan High-Speed Railway includes designated wildlife conservation corridors, allowing animals to migrate safely across the railway. These specially designed passages help protect biodiversity and preserve natural habitats. Amphibious train designs. Dive into innovation. In certain sections with water crossings, the Baolan High-Speed Railway employs amphibious train designs. These trains seamlessly transition from tracks to water, providing a smooth and efficient means of crossing rivers and other water bodies. Predictive maintenance. Say goodbye to unexpected delays. The Baolan High-Speed Railway utilizes AI predictive maintenance, analyzing data to anticipate potential issues and schedule maintenance proactively. This forward-thinking approach minimizes disruptions and enhances overall operational efficiency. Multi-language signage. Breaking language barriers. Recognizing its international clientele, the Baolan High-Speed Railway incorporates multi-language signage at stations and on trains, ensuring clear communication for passengers from diverse linguistic backgrounds. Biodiversity monitoring platforms. Contributing to environmental research. The Baolan High-Speed Railway features biodiversity monitoring platforms equipped with sensors to collect data on local flora and fauna. This information aids scientists in studying the impact of the railway on the surrounding ecosystems. There you have it, folks. The Baolan High-Speed Railway is not just about speed. It's a marvel of engineering, innovation, and sustainability. If you enjoyed this journey through the unknown facts about the Baolan High-Speed Railway, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and share this video with your fellow travel enthusiasts. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.